Hello, my name is Eddie Romero, and in this video I will pinpoint my exact contributions on the project. So basically, I made all this script. Everything in here is coded by me. I also came up with this coordinates, with this edges of the nodes. I don't have if I have to explain everything in here, but basically, yeah, we used uh, graphs to model the city, and we have cars that can move. And how do they know how to move? They use a BFS algorithm to determine their path, and we also have stoplights that can regulate the traffic in the sense that it avoids cars crashing in intersections. So I basically coded all that. Uh, the ideas that led to this point were discussed in teams, but I basically programmed everything in here. Um, Let me see. Yeah, so we basically have like a stop motion movie, let's say, that depicts how the cars move. The uh, cars slash buses are red points. I also made this small API which helps us connect to the Unity project, which I also made, by the way. Well, like 90% of the Unity was made by me. Uh, what else? Okay, for example, I made the script. I coded this thing, which instantiates the agents. Where's this thing? Yeah. Here's the logic, which I also coded. It's the logic of the prefabs. These prefabs. It's this one, which is a car, and this one as well, which is a bus. Um, so this API getter that I programmed can receive, can get a JSON file from the API I coded, and the final product is basically this. I programmed the movement. I arranged some things in the city. For example, I duplicated some assets to make it. I didn't make the assets obviously because I'm not that good at designing. But I basically duplicated them to make the city more look more like an actual city. And I made it so the bus has a number on top, telling us how many passengers it's carrying as of now. For example, this bus has 0, and it's on its way to get passengers uh, on the other stop, let's say. And I mapped this nodes, so this was basically how we got the graph. Actually, I arranged the streets in a way that it's it's like in a way that it looked like the actual city uh, we're taking inspiration from. So I made that, and I put some small points in each key point of the streets, so the cars could move in between waypoints. I made that as well, and I got the coordinates from every, as you guys can see, we have every single node, which I coded, by the way. I had to go through every single node and label it so it's like in a normalized way, and we didn't get any confusions between the Python and like any weird confusions. So yeah, we can make it. Yeah, I got the coordinates, so that's why Python looks this way, because I got the coordinates, and let's say 100, node 170 is on X and Y position. So that for every single other node, so that's why it looks like this, like the actual city. And so yeah, I basically did all that, and that's about it on my contributions.